आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question is, the figure above shows a 14-foot ramp that forms an angle of 60 degree with the vertical wall. There is a 14-foot ramp which makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall. This is the wall. Okay, it is leaning against. Okay, which of the following is an expression for the horizontal length in feet of the ramp? Okay, so it's a very easy question. We just need to have a trigger point for the trigonometry. So now what we will do is that this is the acute angle, okay, we are considering. So the side opposite to this angle will be our perpendicular. Okay, so as we know that let's say it is A and B. Let's say it is AB. Okay, so as we know that tan 63 no 10, it's not tan 63, it is sine 63. What it is? Sine 63 is AB by 14. As I have told you earlier that the side which is exactly opposite to the angle which we are considering will be the perpendicular. Okay, and as we know that this is the hypotenuse, so this one is perpendicular, this one is hypotenuse. So now, and actually we have to find the length, the horizontal length, which is AB. So to find the length of AB, it is 14 sine 60 degree. This is our answer. It's a very easy question. Okay, now let me recollect it again. Okay, so what did I say in the first position? That I'm not I'm not redoing the question. I'm just saying what I did in the solution. Okay, so I was talking about the angle. It's just a principle that if you are considering some angle, then the side which is exactly opposite to that particular angle will be the perpendicular for that case. And we know that 14 is the hypotenuse, so sine 63 is AB, that is P by H, so AB by 14, and as a result AB, which is actually the horizontal length, is 14 sine 63. Okay, so this is our answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।